Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a website shortcut to home screen on Honor 200 Lite. To add a bookmark to home screen, first let's open Google Chrome. Then search for a website you want to add. Now, when you've chosen your website, click here. In the top right corner, it should display 3 dots, and then scroll down and press on Add to Home Screen. Now, you can set a title for the bookmark. I'm gonna go ahead and delete all that, and now write it myself. Okay, and now press on Add. Let's go to home screen, and here is my new shortcut. I can place it wherever I want. That is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.